So I've been using YouTube's new AI feature to help me title and tag videos. I really like it, so I thought I'd do a video showing you what I'm doing for other people who might find this helpful. Right there is the icon in the YouTube studio that you use to get the AI turned on. I asked the AI, I'm uploading a new video of my dogs and wolf dogs eating watermelon together. It's a fun video mood-wise. Here's my video description. And I give them the whole video description, okay? And then I also, you can see here, give them the title of the video. And then I tell it, can you think of a better title than mine, or do you think mine is accurate? Now the AI comes back and it tells me what it thinks of my title, why it's good or not good, which you can read, all through here if you want to pause. Tells me my title is pretty good, but then it also gives me a couple of other suggested titles which are pretty good also. So then I ask it again, based on the information provided already, can you give me a list of tags I can copy and paste that is 500 characters or less, with empty spaces counting as characters? And once again, you can see here that it's given me a whole list here that I can copy and tag. It's like over 200 some characters. I really found this new YouTube AI feature helpful. I always have trouble trying to think of good titles and tags for my videos, and this has been a game changer for me. I hope you guys enjoy this and you give this AI feature a try. It does all kinds of other stuff too. It's a great feature. That's all. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.